All right, so I'm thinking a lot of y'all may have guests coming in for Easter. If you've got grown children and they're coming home, you know, it sure is nice to have something easy to pull out for breakfast. So I'm making my spinach and bacon quiche. And I decided to make it in this dish. It's not a pie plate, but it'll be pretty in that. So I'm just going to use a refrigerated pie crust. You could make any kind of crust you wanted to, really, for this. You could even do that. It's like a shortbread crust. It's so easy to make. You could use that. But I really, really do like this refrigerated dough. And look how pretty that is, just like that. Just wherever it fell. It's pretty in that plate, isn't it? Okay, now we got our pie crust. So I'm gonna start layering our ingredients, and this is fresh chopped spinach. It's not frozen. And we chopped it pretty fine. Ooh, I hope this is gonna be a real fat one. Okay. Some on the outside of the. Okay, looking good. Now, I guess I can go over there and process it in the processor over there,
I can bring it. Do you want, how about we use it says we can use a blender.
Blender or the food processor. Because we've got our heavy cream, we've got our eggs, and salt and pepper. And to have a really frothy, light custard for our quiche, it would be best if we... Oh, okay, you can bring it over here. Great, 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 great.
You want to move that dish for me?
Yes.
Just a moment.
Yes. I'll try not to. Teresa just said that she went home and told her husband that yesterday I was mean to her.
I told him you were mean to both Eddie and I. And he was about ready to take up for us. And I said she was just being mean because she was teasing us with sweets. It was not nice.
I was guilty. I was guilty as my fat butt was eating all the goodies. And I've told y'all this before, and I'll say it again. Most recipes that involve bacon, they'll tell you to cook it till it's crisp. I don't do that. I cook mine till it's almost done, but there's still a lot of fat left in this bacon. And, you know, fat equals flavor. So the rest of the fat that cooks out of this bacon is gonna go into that spinach, giving it just a killer taste. Okay, so that's our bacon, and that was 1 pound, and this was thick cut bacon. All right, now I'm coming with a Swiss cheese. This is gonna be one fat quiche, y'all. It's gonna be a fatty. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and process our eggs and our cream. It's gonna be so nice and frothy. And to that, I'm going to add a little salt, a little pepper. Okay, y'all hold your ears. This is gonna be so good. You know, there's this joke that real men don't eat quiche. I don't think that's true. I think real men will eat anything. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to slowly pour our custard on top of our filling, our stuff, all the yummy things. All right, Therese.
Okay.
You're going to stick that in the oven 375 for 35 to 40 minutes or until the eggs are set.
Absolutely.
Here's our quiche, y'all, and it looks delicious. And I can't cut it until it cools off some. But I highly suggest this recipe for quiche for you. It's delicious. And perfect for those out-of-town guests that you're going to have over the Easter holidays. Love and best dishes. God bless. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.